Ito, nandito na po sa land of Lapu-Lapu and Bulacna and Enrique. Ito ang iyong lingkod. Ako po si Kidlat Tahimik. Ako po ay isang national artist na for the last 40 years, gumagawa ako ng isang kwento tungkol sa isang Cebuano na wow, ang galing ng kanyang dating. So, I'm here not only as a guest, pero as a 4-decade follower of Cebuano history. Throughout these different installations, whether from the drop-off point up to the departure lounge and inside in the actual gateways, I have so many installations. At karamihan nito ay on the theme of cross-cultural encounters, no? Yung pagsalubong ng dalawang kultura, ng taga rito, taga-isla, at ang mga dayuhan. One extra thing that I also want my installation to bring out, alam mo, dyan sa domestic airport, I have an installation there of the Battle of Mactan. Nakikita mo si Lapu-Lapu nakasakay sa isang alon, tapos si Magellan, the last moment of Magellan's life. Pero on the left wave is a person that you should know about. The Cebuanos probably know about it, but a lot of them don't. Is Reyna Bulacna. Sino si Bulacna? Siya yung asawa ni Lapu-Lapu. Many Cebuanos don't know that. Kasi sa oral literature lang si Bulacna. And because of that, I assume that kung ikaw ang royalty first lady ka ng bayan, marunong ka rin mag... So, that's why I give the honor that maybe Bulacna was the one. She was been at the Battle of Mactan at siya rin ang... Sorry, Magellan. Next life ka na mag-circumnavigate. Para ngayon, hanggang dyan ka lang at baka kainin ka ng mga lapu-lapu fish. We celebrated the quincentennial noong 2021. I got fascinated by that voyage of the first circumnavigation, which ended in Cebu at Mactan Island. Siyempre, ang na-associate natin sa first circumnavigation yung pangalan ni Ferdinand Magellan. Pero actually, para sa akin mas importante yung slave ni Magellan na kasama niya, si Enrique, who was not just an ordinary slave. Dahil sa kanya, siguro natawid ni Magellan yung buong Pacific at nakarating dito. At sa akin, siguro ang importante, ang sinong guide niya, si Iking. Iking de Malacca ang pangalan niya sa book. Pero siguro Iking de Cebu or the Iking de Mactan. But as far as I'm concerned, ang sariling ating Enrique, siya yung unang umikot sa mundo. And maybe even Magellan acknowledged it because sa last will and testament ni Magellan, sabi niya, on the day of my death, my slave Enrique shall be a free man. Not only was he a free man, pero siya yung naging unang umikot, the first circumnavigator of the globe. Kaya Enrique, bravo! Galing mo, sugod kapatid! In a way, I'm playing a little bit with history, but we know that Enrique was on that voyage, and we know marunong siya mag-Cebuano, Bisaya pagdating dito. So, let's celebrate that fact. We don't always have to listen to the history na sinulat nila. Yan ang message ko doon sa Spain. Sa mga Spanish, when they saw this boat, hoy, amigos, yung bida ninyo, your hero is our villain. Si Magellan na inyong bida, ya ang salbahe sa amin. At yung villain sa inyo, si Lapu-Lapu, is our hero. So, history according to who has written it, history according to who has framed it. Yan. And from our frame, we were a very gallant people who had a good heart for the strangers from abroad. But when they abuse, we also resist them. Kaya, kataugan, mabuhay, Enrique at Lapu-Lapu.